that you were a transplant to Boston, you went to UMass.
Yep.
How did you end up becoming an entrepreneur, and what is sort of the Ralph Verrilli story?
Well, we'll skip ahead a little bit. As you mentioned, I grew up in the Bronx, went to the University of Massachusetts, mechanical engineering undergraduate as well as graduate. I met a number of really great people in the graduate program there, one being Steve Luby. Steve Luby came to the Boston area, went to work for a software company. I came a year later, went to work for a different software company, but we remained friends. And both of us wanted to do something. And in 1994, we got a company started called Composite Design Technologies. Actually, Steve had started a couple years earlier in his bedroom, but it was really in 1994 that we got it off the ground.
So well before the dot-com crash of 2000.
Well before.
And what did Composite Design Technologies do? What was its raison d'etre, etc.?
Sure. So, both Steve and I are mechanical engineering, and we wanted to focus on something that we knew, which was software and mechanical engineering. So, in the world of composites, and composites are a very lightweight, high-strength material, there are lots of manufacturing problems. So we decided to develop software tools to help people make good manufacturing decisions. Engineers make good manufacturing decisions, focusing on composites because that's where their money was.
Excellent. And what sorts of composites does the company manufacture?
So I'm sorry, we don't actually manufacture composites. We manufacture software. So we're a software company specialized in design tools for people designing composite parts. So composites are being used in automobiles now, your golf clubs, bicycles, and probably the most prevalent thing is the new Boeing 787 airplane, which is all composites.
So the software does what? Is it focused on like Six Sigma? Is it focused on manufacturing efficiency? Help our listeners to understand, because there's so many different types of software out there.
Sure. So we really focused on addressing manufacturing problems, giving engineers tools to address manufacturing problems in composites. And we tackled that and were very successful with that. And then we moved on to providing tools to help them design composite parts. So we can really help you with designing composite parts from the conceptual stage all the way to getting design data to your manufacturing machines and help you cut out materials, do analysis, and things like that. So although we started in manufacturing, we really broad.
And of course, with your mechanical engineering background, it helped you to understand what the customer might be thinking.
Without a doubt. And that's something that we've always believed in. We hire a lot of engineers, and because we really wanted to focus on solving real-world problems.
And what then happened to the company?
So after we focused and really grew to be an international company doing business in 10 different countries in the world of composites, we decided to broaden our horizons a little bit, went after aircraft assembly, developed software tools for aircraft assembly, software tools for automotive interiors. So you'll see that we go after domains that require a lot of deep domain knowledge. We grew the company, we're very successful. Composites is a very hot topic right now. And in 2011, Siemens decided to acquire what was then Vistagy. We had changed the name, but Siemens acquired Vistagy.
Congratulations.
Yeah, thank
and
you.
Are you still with Siemens now?
I am.